Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Spapp Monitoring on an Android phone with latest Android versions. This device is a Pixel and has Android 12 on it. Okay, so first step, don't forget to disable Play Protect, and after go to your browser, tap spappmonitoring.com. okay. If you scroll a little bit, you'll see the download option. Download again. Now it's important to read terms of service and to select all three checkbox. Okay, now download. Open the file and select install. Again, open. Now next steps will be to enable all permissions. This is a permission for screen capture, so it's a very important one. And the rest ones you'll have either the option while using the app or enable just, okay? So if it's possible, enable, if not, only while using the app. Here is the data that our app is tracking, so you should read it again because it's very important, and accept next, confirm it, confirm again regarding the location, accept next, okay. So in last Android version this is the difference mostly, but you need to confirm many times. Now we'll need to fill the email and password, so we practically create an account. Make sure to insert here a real email address because you may receive some important information, for example regarding to payments or other such information. Okay, so here is the name of the device. You can change the name if you want, or just save. Now you need to enable the admin rights, so choose activate this device admin rights. Notification settings, again very important, so you have on some devices you'll not have this so visible. Enable, allow. After you have accessibility settings, again here is Spapp Monitoring, confirm. Now app notifications. If you want to keep at this stage app notification, you can keep, just go on, and you can switch off it later. Or let's say I don't want to show it. After, we suggest to go to check warnings. App usage settings should be enabled as well if you want to see actually app usage, and this is a warning regarding the location logs, okay, that you need to enable GPS receiver, so you know this already. And we are going back. This permission will be shown at many stages, and each time you actually restart the app, and each time you must confirm that you want to start it, okay? And exit. Now we have the app installed. If you don't want the icon here, you just tap on it and go to remove. Do not go to uninstall, okay? Just to remove. That's it.